Today in the shop, we're going to take the body off of the Regal and get the frame prep for surgery. Let's get started. What's up everyone? It's the first of the month, so we're back. Today we're going to separate the body from the frame of the Regal. We're going to build some bracing out of 4x4 posts that attach to the hinges and striker plate. And with the help of my sons, we're going to get the body off the frame using a couple bottle jacks and a cherry picker. Let's get to it. What? Put it in there. Put it back in there. Up. The body and frame are separated, but we still can't remove the table because of the spare tire well. This is going to be a back half car anyhow, so I really don't care about the trunk. Let's cut it up. Finally, it's time to roll the table over to the work area. Once it's over there, we'll level the table, add a few cross braces to support everything, and lock it all in for surgery. There you have it, guys. The frame is out, it's leveled, we're ready to start cutting stuff up. All you OG subscribers know that I've been waiting for this day for a long time, and this is long overdue, so I'm excited to get started. However, if you want a sneak peek at what's to come, make sure you follow @RecklessRegal on Instagram and Facebook, because you just might be able to skip ahead. That's all for this week. If you have questions or comments, make sure you drop them below, and as always, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks, guys.